Gates open, they're up and racing. We have Golden Angge draws for your lead, then running by the release La Huerta. Elusive Cat moving up by the release Laon Laan Leon Face. Then comes Winning Beat, then followed over on the outside by Sambat. Running by the rail is Speed Appeared, and trailing the group is Dugos Sprite. Heading towards the last 800, La Huerta, followed now by Laon Laan. Golden Angge drops back in third, Leon Face comes next. Elusive Cat Winning Bid, pass approaching is Gandamexia. Past the last 600, La Huerta still leading the field. Laon Laan in between runners. Once again, moving up on the outside is Golden Angge, Leon Face. Elusive Cat joining in, then comes Sambat as they swing for home. We have La Huerta still leading the field. Then running in between runners is Laon Laan, Golden Angge, Elusive Cat with the last 150 more to run. Laon Laan running at the center. Elusive Cat is on the outside. Laon Laan, Elusive Cat, and finally close between Laon Laan, Elusive Cat. Then comes La Huerta, Leon Face, Golden Angge for your Pentafecta.